Hi, this is Chris from Sugar Labs. You can see me there on the reflection. This video is for one way of booting up sugar on a stick, and this way is for those of you who have computers who don't seem to have the initial boot menu unless you have to go into what's called the BIOS. So we're going to explain how to do that real quick, really short. So first you need your stick, you need a computer that's turned off completely, and then you need to plug in your stick. So we'll attempt to do that there. Alright. So I got my stick plugged in, and on this particular computer, to get to my BIOS, I need to press F2 after I hit the power. That may change depending upon your make of your computer. So if you need to find out how to get to your BIOS, BIOS, you can search for that based on your make of your computer and then probably the keyword BIOS. So in this case, this Acer, I'm going to click power, and then just a few seconds after, I'll have this option here that'll show up. It'll say, ooh, F2 right there, you see that? So it's pretty quick on some computers, this one in particular. Now I'll zoom in here, and you'll see now I'm at this kind of strange screen maybe to some of us, but this is some of the setup, as it says here, utility. And right now I'm on this tab that says information, but there should be somewhere on your screen where it says boot of some kind, boot menu. On there I have a tab, so I'm going to scroll over, in this case my arrow keys. There's usually directions at the bottom of how to navigate it, and then as you can see, my boot priority order list, it says, hey, go off the hard drive first, number 1, and then look for elsewhere where can I boot up my operating system. So right now it says number 2 is USB. So that's why I never get the option on this computer to actually get to the boot menu, because it's just really looks for it right away in the BIOS. So I want to change the USB to be looked at first. That way the computer will try to boot off the USB first and recognize it. If it's not set to that, it'll always just revert to the first priority, which is the hard drive. Alright. So I need to press down here, it says F6 to change the value. Okay, I'm going to move it up. I'm going to highlight it first, the USB option. F6. Bam, now USB drive, this thing right here, is going to be the first one in order to be recognized. I want to save that, so I press F10, and it'll say, hey, you want to do that? Sure do. And now, it should actually just revert to sugar. And let's hope the sugar stick works. There we go. Hey, Fedora. That's a good sign, so it'll boot automatically. You'll then get the sugar window, and then you'll eventually, obviously, sugar will load. You've successfully booted. Alright. If you have any questions, please contact us at our blog. It's fargoxo.wordpress.com. Thanks.